Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you the parity algorithms for 4x4 OLL Parity, 4x4 PLL Parity, as well as 5x5 Edge Parity. So starting off with 4x4 OLL Parity. This is one of the most difficult algorithms to learn because it looks really long. Plus this is probably one of the first parity algorithms you'll learn, as the 4x4 is the smallest big cube. So you put the flipped edge, or the edge you want to flip, in the front, and you do this algorithm. So you start off by moving 2 layers of the right side up, like this, U2, then you rotate to face the bottom. You do the same thing twice, and then now you move the right side down and do U2 again. You move the left side down, U2, right side down, right side up, right side down, and then you just move the right side down again, and this will solve OLL parity. So once again, you start off with moving the right side up. Make sure you move 2 layers. U2, rotate, do the same thing twice. This time move the right side down, move the left side down, move the right side down. Now you can move the right side up, right side down again. So this algorithm might seem quite hard to learn, but just try it a few times until you get the hang of it. So now we'll be taking a look at the PLL parity, and this is when you need to swap 2 edges like so. So you hold it from this angle such that the 2 edges that you need to swap are in the front and in the back, and you do this algorithm. 2R2, which is basically this slice layer here. U2, 2R2, which is once again this slice layer. And now you do Y, U2, 2R2, once again the slice layer, and UY2, and that will solve PLL parity. However, you don't always get the PLL parity straight. Sometimes you just get a PLL case which is impossible on a 3x3. If that happens, just hold it from any angle you want, it doesn't really matter, and do the exact same algorithm. 2R2, U2, 2R2, UY2, 2R2, UY2 again, and then you should be left with an ordinary PLL algorithm. Okay, so now we'll be taking a look at the 5x5 OLL parity. So this algorithm is basically almost the exact same as the 4x4 OLL parity algorithm, just with one slight change. So when you pap edges and you notice that all you have is one flipped edge that looks something like this, then you have to do the algorithm. Put this edge in the front so it faces you like this, and do this algorithm. It's pretty similar to 4x4, so start off with R, U2, then you rotate R, U2, R, U2, and then usually on a 4x4 you do R prime here, but instead of just doing this, take hold of the third layer and bring the third layer down as well, U2, and then the rest of the algorithm is just the exact same as the 4x4 algorithm. And just like that, you would have solved parity on your 5x5. Alright, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's tutorial. So far my channel has been pretty focused on 3x3, but I hope to be able to broaden the topics on my channel to also include different puzzles like big cubes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.